Screen on my grill. So now I have to re-record this. Let's put some lip gloss on so we're not looking.
She glad, we bad, she in a bad, she bad, she bad, she bad, she bad, she bad, she bad.
And welcome back for another video. I feel like I look crazy. I look like I just got out of bed, which is what I did. This is just a quick video for you guys about the hair that I have in my head right now. I've been getting like, I don't want to sound like people are asking me all the time about my hair, because I promise you they're not, but like maybe like 3 people have asked me about my hair, where I got it from, and all of that stuff. So I wanted to do a review for you guys about the hair that I have. I got this hair from MayvennHairCompany.com. I will link everything in the description box below. I got 3 bundles and a lace closure, 18-inch, 20, 18, 20, and a 22-inch with the 18-inch closure. Yeah, and I ordered this hair around August. I feel like I'm the first day that I got it installed. So when I first received it, the curls were a really nice curl pattern. The closure, it seemed like the closure's hair was shorter than all of the rest of the hair, but it wasn't. Like after, because I have the closure is 18-inch and I have an 18-inch bundle, and it seemed like they were 2 different lengths, but it came together eventually. When I first opened the hair, the packaging I say would be great. The smell, there was no smell. The curl pattern was nice. The hair came rather quickly, maybe like 4 to 5 days. It wasn't long at all. And then the price was very affordable. They always have sales at Mayvenn Hair Company, and maybe like, I want to say I spent I spent like $230 around that on this hair with the lace closure included. So I don't think that's bad at all for the length, and for the length of the hair. I don't feel like that's bad for 3 bundles and a closure. So yeah, that's what I had, and I'm sure you guys have seen it in the last video, but since then I've uninstalled the hair and then done some other things to it. So I feel like it's easier, and then I can, if I don't want to wear it anymore, like I don't have to cut out the thread and do all this other stuff. Like I could just take it off and be like, okay, I'm not wearing that today or whatever. But yeah, this is my first time ever making a wig, and my first time, oh, I already said that, my first time wearing a wig, making a wig, whatever. I would definitely recommend MayvennHair's Deepwave over the loose wave hair texture. Now the loose wave hair texture is really pretty. I loved it when I had it. It was so cute. I had a leave out when I had it, and it was easy to blend with my leave out, just braid it or whatever. And it was cute, but it just was shedding. Now this hair, it doesn't shed at all, like at all. And it's so low maintenance. It probably depends on how you want to wear your hair, but for me it was low maintenance because like I don't like my hair to be super defined. Like I don't like when they have it all slicked down looking crazy like that. Like no, I like this right now. I sprayed it, but I would rather it to be like, I want it to be like this. So that would probably just be me brushing it out or just having more bundles or whatever. But yeah, I like it bigger, and right now it's kind of flat, but I did just spray it or whatever. But yeah, I would definitely recommend it. It has no smell. The shedding, little to no shedding. It's easy maintenance. If I did want to, like, if it was getting a little too out of control, the most that I would probably do to it was spray it a little bit, and then I had it wasn't Miss Jessie's, it was the other one. I think her name's Curly Jackie or something. And I would just like, literally this is all I would do. Just put it like this. Because the curls would never like come out of place. Now I did, because what I would do, because I would want the hair to be bigger. And so I would brush the hair out, like brush. You know how when you brush hair out, it gets like super big and the curls are gone. So I would brush the hair out, like basically like blow drying it, but without putting heat on it, and then braid it into 2 braids, and so it can be like big and wavy. And then it would stay like that for a while. And then just to get it to go back to this, I didn't even have to wash it. Like all I had to do was spray it, and then it would just go back. So it's really low maintenance. I feel like a lot of people think that with deep wave or with curly hair, you have to do a lot of stuff to it. And with this hair, I didn't have to. I feel like it depends on the person though. If you want that like wet, sleek, super defined look, then you may have to do a little bit more work. But even still right now, you can still see the curls, and I haven't put anything in this hair. I washed it the day that I installed it, which was on my birthday. So that was October 8th. It's October 15th. So that was the last time that I put anything on the hair. And I don't even think I put anything on it then. I think I just washed it. So it probably would be like a little bit more defined or whatever if I actually put some product in it or something. But I don't, because I'm lazy. But I think that's all I have for you guys. This video is not sponsored whatsoever. It's all 100% my opinions and 100% real. But I think that's it. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.